I'm in a Honda NSX and next to me is a Honda Fireblade motorbike. I've got a 3.5 litre twin turbo V6, 2 electric motors at the front, 1 at the back and a combined 581 horsepower, but I weigh 1780 kilos. Well, that's a car, not me. The motorbike has a 1 litre engine with 190 horsepower. It weighs 200 kilos, though the rider looks like he might be around 100 kilos. Anyway, we're going to have a drag race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, good Lord! Blow that bike away! It's destroyed. It's got no chance. No chance.
As it turned out, the race was much closer than I thought, as the bike was gaining on me fast. The NSX did the standing quarter in 10.8 seconds, and the Fireblade took 11.2 seconds. And to be fair, our bike rider wasn't exactly the best at standing starts. So what happens if you take that out of the equation?
Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. So I'm going to be in automatic mode, but track setting, and I'll just kick down. He will kick down his bike and do whatever he needs to do. I'll count us in. 3, 2, 1, go! And I think that is that, and I'm deaf. I'm deaf from that bike. That was absolutely epic. I love that.
To see if you can save money on a new car, click on the pop-out banner or the link below the video to go to carwow.com. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and click on our logo to subscribe to our channel. And click on the windows for more videos.